Namaste, yogis, and welcome to an unboxing video. My name is Adi, and today I want to share with you an inside view on where I order wholesale props for the studio and for my yoga classes. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in being a part of, stick around for this video. Give this channel a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your comment below. Let me know what you think about props in general. Do you use props in your studio? Do you use props in your classes? Let's get into the video. So today I am unboxing some props ordered from the website Sunshine Yoga. I will leave that in the description. So one thing that I really appreciate about Sunshine Yoga is that they deliver real fast and it's also free shipping. I have noticed from the very first time of me ordering and getting a bulk of props, and from now the prices have gone up. I won't say that they are a wholesale price anymore. That's just from my perspective of what I was paying and what the price is now. So I no longer think that they are a wholesale space for some of their props in particularly, but you can get the blankets still for a reasonable price. So that's what we got today, and that is what we are unboxing. So, I will leave all the information in the description. These blankets, I got them all in one color this time. We have, let's see, we have several other blankets just in assorted colors, but with this studio opening up and with us expanding, definitely wanted to give the space to have new props. Oh, this is hard to get off. Give this space to have new props and to have new things that we are walking into the studio with. So these are tied. Let's see. Can I get this undone? All right. One down. One more to go. All right, so these are the blankets. So yeah, we got a whole shipment of the same color just to keep things uniformed in the new studio. So these are the, let's see, there's an order form that's included. These are the classic Mexican blankets by Kazumo. Okay, they are the orange, mint, and white ones. We got 10 brand new ones of these. So this is about how big it is when you open it up. And what I really love most about blankets in general for using as a prop in your yoga classes is that blankets can be used in so many different ways. Blankets can be used in so many different avenues. You can use, if you practice restorative yoga, you know for a fact, you can use a blanket as a block, as a bolster, as a strap, and as just a blanket for support. So I really love the versatility in having blankets in yoga classes. It also offers another layer of support in the class. When you're having a class and you're asking folks to come in and be vulnerable, you want to make sure that you have spaces to support that. So very grateful that we got our order today, and so I wanted to come live and to show you all that. So Thank you so much. Again, I will say honestly, there are bolsters that you can order for cheaper than what they have them on their website. You can find better deals. But what I will say is when you buy more, you get them for a lesser price. So maybe you go in with some other yoga teachers that you know, maybe all of you come together with the same intention and awareness to get props, and all of you all put your money together so that you can all collectively get props, and that way everyone is being helped. That way we're all working together as a collective unit, and we are elevating our classes one breath at a time. My name is Adi. If this video at all has been helpful to you, please click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, make sure that you share this video with your yoga friends, any yoga teachers that you know, and I look forward to serving you in the next video. Namaste.